If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective replacement for your Epson 822XL ink cartridges, ECHALLENGE offers a remanufactured set that delivers consistent, high-quality results. Designed specifically for Epson WorkForce Pro models like WF3820, WF4820, WF4830, and WF4834, these cartridges promise smooth printing without compromise. Each package includes 4 cartridges, black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, along with a helpful user guide. The black and color cartridges each yield up to 1,100 pages at 5% coverage, giving you plenty of prints before needing a refill. That's a solid balance of performance and value for everyday printing needs. Installation is straightforward. The cartridges come in a handy plastic stand, making it easy to handle and load them without fumbling. Simply remove the protective tab, slide the cartridge into your printer, and it clicks securely in place. Plus, the included cleaner helps you wipe any fingerprints off the contacts, ensuring a smooth connection every time. Users report that these remanufactured cartridges perform just as well as, if not better than, the original Epson ink. One satisfied customer tested the ink with a color test page, noting instant dryness, no streaking, and vibrant colors. The printer recognized the cartridges immediately, with no errors or compatibility issues. What you get with ECHALLENGE's 822XL cartridges is dependable print quality that won't slow you down or break the bank. Whether you're printing documents, photos, or marketing materials, these cartridges maintain sharp, vivid output from start to finish. Worth a look if you want to keep your Epson WorkForce Pro running smoothly while cutting costs on ink. The remanufactured cartridges offer a smart alternative without sacrificing quality or reliability. If that's you, consider trying ECHALLENGE's 822XL ink cartridges next time you need a replacement. Easy to install, consistent in performance, and backed by positive user feedback, they're a practical choice for busy homes and offices alike. Keep your printer productive and your prints professional with ECHALLENGE remanufactured 822XL cartridges. When you want dependable ink that delivers vibrant color and sharp text, these cartridges fit the bill without the premium price tag.